back to my channel and welcome back indeed. I've been off my channel for a hot minute, but hopefully I am back for a long time and a good time. Today's video is literally just to get ready with me, in which I did this look, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Also, new hairstyle, hello, hi. This is what I've been rocking it recently. Literally just like slick back hair, and these are literally some synthetic bundles, and they're very, very good quality as well, because I've worn them a couple times, even slept with them on, and they're holding up really, really well. So hopefully I have a tutorial on that very, very soon if you're interested. But enough talking, let's get into the video. My contour is very, very strong. I really do live for a strong contour, but sometimes I feel like I overdo it because I'm wearing my hair gelled back today, and when my hair is down, it's like, okay, it kind of obscures the contour and it's a little bit too harsh. But you know, we move, I don't really mind. I don't know why I've just decided to basically do a talk through, but here we are. An orange blush looks so good on like brown skin. I feel like the orange is a really nice color, and then the pink just adds like that nice hint of warmth to your face. Next, I'm going to highlight my nose. I like switching to a smaller brush to highlight my nose for one color for a more detailed highlight. And I just dip in and I do tip of the nose and the dip of the nose. So basically like the top of the bridge of your nose. The same brush, and I highlight my cupid bow. Move. Recently, that's how I've been lining my lips. I feel like it allows you to kind of follow your lip line a lot more neatly and whatnot. My lips, I'm just going to keep it nice and neutral. I'm going to use this Revolution lip powder. This is like a really old product. And it's in the colour, it's My Life. It's just like a kind of pink lip gloss. Semi-sheer, semi-tinted. It's also got a little bit of glitter to it. I like it. I had this for the longest time, but I only really started using it like maybe a week or two ago. And wow, look at that, I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and off my headscarf, blend out my forehead, and I'll be back. But yeah, I am actually legit loving what I've come up with today. I'm just gonna slap on my bundles and call it a day. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this really short get ready with me. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, hit the subscribe button down below, and hopefully I'll see you in a later video.